Instant hot water dispensers and point-of-use under-sink heaters have become a staple for modern kitchens, delivering near-boiling water on demand for coffee, tea, instant noodles, dish prep, and cleaning tasks. They save time, reduce water waste, and free up valuable kitchen counter space compared with traditional kettles. In this comparison, list number 1, Ever Advanced Folding Camping Recliner. The HWT00 is InSinkErator's compact 2/3 gallon stainless steel storage tank powered by a 750-watt heating element. It features an adjustable temperature control and a dry start protection mechanism, making it a reliable DIY install option for near boiling water at the top. Its stainless steel tank and modest footprint, 6.75 by 10.88 inches, suit under-sink placements, and it offers compatibility with InSinkErator's water filtration system lineup as an add-on for contaminant reduction, PFOA and PFOOS, chlorine, and more. The 3-year limited warranty provides solid peace of mind for a mid to premium priced unit. In real-world use, the 750-watt element means solid performance for typical kitchen tasks, but recovery time will be slower if you demand continuous high-volume hot water, for example, back-to-back high-capacity tasks. Temperature can be dialed up toward 200 degrees Fahrenheit for near-boiling output, but you'll want to throttle use if you're feeding multiple appliances at once. The DIY install approach is a strength for handy homeowners, while the lock of included faucet means an extra purchase is needed if you want a one-piece solution. Overall, this model excels as a dedicated hot water backup.
List number 2. Portal Camping Chair with Lumbar Support for Adults. The HOT150SN-SS is a complete instant hot water dispenser system featuring a satin nickel finish faucet paired with a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank. It delivers up to 60 cups per hour of water at approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the briskest outputs in this lineup. Tool-free tank connections and a dry start protection system simplify installation, while in-home service is supported by a 1-year limited warranty. Its aesthetic satin nickel finish and mounting height specifications, spout height 6.25 inches, reach 5.38 inches, make it a visually cohesive addition to modern kitchens that value both form and function. From a performance standpoint, 60 cups per hour translates to ample capacity for frequent small tasks like coffee prep or rapid boiling for cooking. The temperature remains adjustable, enabling a quick balance between hot water and more temperate usage. The included faucet eliminates a separate purchase, and the simple installation is a clear advantage for non-professional installers. The primary drawback is the lack of a listed price in the source material, which can impede quick purchase decisions for budget.
List number 3. Cushioned Padded Folding Stool. The InSink Contour system pairs a chrome faucet with a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank and a 750-watt heater. It emphasizes an original design with a twist top handle for intuitive use and straightforward under-sink installation via a single hole in your countertop. The dispenser sits neatly at the edge of the sink, delivering near boiling water on demand, and supporting the broader InSinkErator ecosystem with a robust 3-year in-home warranty. The unit's plastic housing is noted in specifications, which can influence long-term durability in humid kitchen environments. In daily use, the Contour model offers reliable, on-demand hot water with simple operation and a compact footprint. The chrome finish is visually versatile, but the plastic housing may be a consideration if you prioritize long-term ruggedness. The 3-year warranty is competitive within this space, and the overall system is easy to install for DIY users, though some homes may prefer a model with a more premium finish or enhanced insulating materials.
List number 4. Overmont Back Support Camping Chair for Adults. This budget-friendly under-sink tankless option from XWDZSW runs on 110 volts and claims a robust 3,000 watt output with an LED digital display for straightforward temperature monitoring. The unit is designed for vertical installation with 1/2-inch NPT connections and multiple safety features, including water electricity isolation, IPX4 waterproofing, dry boil protection, and automatic power off under overheating or inactivity. It's marketed as a compact, efficient solution suitable for kitchens, apartments, and even RVs. With a stated 98% thermal efficiency and a generous 30-day money-back guarantee, plus a 24-month warranty and 8 free accessory replacements. In practice, a 3,000-watt tankless unit can deliver rapid hot water, but at higher GPM, you'll experience temperature drop unless your flow is modest. The 110-volt specification is convenient for many homes, but some installations may require a dedicated circuit and proper gauge wiring. Watch for the voltage discrepancy in the specs. Some listings show 220 volts, which could affect compatibility with your electrical panel. This model is best for point-of-use hot water needs with smaller demand rather than whole home heating. Pros.
List number 5. Portal reclining camping chair with adjustable back folding. The Nexa Mini Tank is a storage heater with a 1.8-gallon capacity, powered by 1500 watts at 110 V. It emphasizes instant hot water at the sink, with a broad adjustable temperature range from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and a compact footprint suitable for under-sink installation. Its exterior is ABS, while the internal tank is stainless steel, aiming for a balance of affordability and safety through water-electrical separation. A complete accessory kit is included, and professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal fit and performance. In practice, the Nexa unit provides solid daily hot water output for typical kitchen tasks without the recovery speed of higher wattage tankless models. The 1.8-gallon storage gives you a buffer for brief bursts of hot water, but expect longer wait times if you're drawing hot water continuously. The 77 to 176 degree Fahrenheit range allows flexible use for coffee, tea, and dish prep, while the included mounting options, wall or floor, add versatility in tight spaces. The heavier 14.62-pound unit requires stable mounting, and professional installation is advised to ensure reliable seals and electrical connections.